How to change the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit workspace. Next, look at the timeline settings by clicking the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will find the timeline resolution section. This is where you can adjust the aspect ratio. To change the aspect ratio, first decide the resolution width and height you want based on your target format. For example, if you want a widescreen 16:9 ratio, set the resolution to something like 1920 by 1080. If you need a particle video for social media, try setting the resolution to 1080 by 1920. After entering your desired resolution, click Save to apply the changes. Next, you might notice your clip don't perfectly fit the new aspect ratio. To fix this, select each clip in the timeline, then go to the inspector panel and use the zoom and position controls to adjust the clip so it fits well within the new frame. Remember, changing the timeline resolution affects the whole project, so check your export settings too. Before exporting, go to the Deliver page and confirm the export resolution matches your new aspect ratio to avoid any black bars or cropping issues. And that's it. Now you know how to change the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.